Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on Snapchat. Let's launch the Snapchat app. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on your gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, you want to scroll down to the app appearances, the last option over here. When you click on it, you simply can switch the modules from always dark to always light. You can also match the actual iOS appearance settings. For example, I do have a dark theme on my phone currently, and if I leave this function match the system default, it will simply match and it will have a dark theme. The second option, of course, is to always be light, and the third option will, of course, to always be dark. As you saw, it's just changed. It took a while. Also, Snapchat offers something different, such as the customization and the appearances. So essentially, you can actually change and not only the layout, but the colors, the UI, the experience. So you can play around with this. I haven't seen other apps having these functions to completely change the whole look and make it so custom for your own version. But I mean, if you're up to this, you can go ahead and try to find the new ways. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.